Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, 3-piece hardtop, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, remote start system, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7263.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.